Hello everyone. Do you know how did Father's Day celebration begin? Let's discover it. Father's Day is celebrating its 100th anniversary this year on June 19th, and it all began when a young woman wanted to honor her dad. In May of 1909, Sonora Smart Dodd of Spokane, Washington, sat in church listening to a Mother's Day sermon. She decided she wanted to designate a day for her dad, William Jackson Smart. Dodd's mother had died in childbirth, and Dodd's father, a Civil War veteran, had taken the responsibility of single-handedly raising the newborn and his other 5 children. The following year, Dodd wanted to celebrate Father's Day on June 5, her father's birthday, and petitioned for the holiday to be recognized in her city. Needing more time to arrange the festivities, Spokane's mayor pushed the date back by 2 weeks, and the first Father's Day was celebrated on June 19, 1910, according to the Spokane Regional Convention and Visitor Bureau. At the first Father's Day celebration, young women handed out red roses to their fathers during a church service, and large baskets full of roses were passed around, with attendees encouraged to pin on a rose in honor of their fathers, red for the living and white in memory of the deceased. Dodd then brought her infant son along on a horse-drawn carriage ride through the city, bringing roses and gifts to homebound fathers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe, like, share and don't forget to activate the bell.